had a medical snap company come to us with a problem. It's critical that when they send their snaps to their end customer, their end user, that there are only snaps in there and no debris. It was going to ruin their business because these were getting jammed in their customers' machines. And so they were sending back skids and skids of product. And the reason they were getting foreign parts back from the platers in their product is because the drying drums also is used for other people's products. So there's getting contamination from other people's products in with theirs. So we heard their problem and we came up with the Packard tumble drum sorter. So we developed a rotary screening device, or a trommel, to actually screen out the small weld debris, pen parts before the product. So it literally comes in 3 different stages. It takes out the small products first, then it takes out the actual size product, and then it lets the bigger size debris go out the end. Now this takes out the parts that are almost exactly the same size as your product. So in order to screen it at one more level, we put a magnetic bar sorter grate underneath it, so it would take out any ferrous, because these snaps that the medical company were using were brass and they were plated, or they were stainless. So we put in a magnetic bar sort in order to catch the ferrous materials. So it really worked out. It saved their business, and they were very, very happy with us. If you have a similar problem, give us a call and we'll evaluate your application and send us a little sample of your product and what your issues are, and we'll apply it to your needs.